how's it going?
We're fine, teacher, thanks.
Excellent. Welcome back. Today's class is going to be a little bit difficult, but interesting. Why? Because we're going to talk about the simple past tense, the past, but we are going to lay crucial emphasis on the pronunciation of regular verbs. Regular verbs in English are the ones that end in ed. All verbs in English, the majority of them are regular. And when I say regular, it means that they end in ed. Everybody say ed. 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 Great. However, we got a little problem because ed has three ways to be pronounced. We have three ways to pronounce ed in English. Sometimes it sounds like id. Look at the clown and the bubbles here. Sometimes it sounds like id. Other times it sounds like d. Well, I would say in most cases. In most cases it sounds like d. And other times it sounds like t. Everybody say t. 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 Okay. And this is the big problem that we have. However, learning to pronounce them is not an obstacle. It's not impossible, okay? So, when do we use the simple past? The simple past, we use it to talk about actions that are finished, actions that are over, actions that are already occurred in the past, long time ago. It is over. For example, when I say yesterday, is that present, future, or past? Past. Okay, so for example, yesterday I watched TV. What? Help me out. I watched TV yesterday. This is an action that is finished because I am living my present in this moment. Yesterday I watched, pay attention to the pronunciation. Did I say watch it? Did I say watch it? No. Did I say watch it? No. Of course not, because we have a special way to pronounce it. Okay, this is a positive statement. What is the negative form for that sentence? The negative form, do you know it? Do you know the negative form? No ideas? Okay, the negative form is check it out, I didn't. When we want to make a negative sentence in English, in the past, we say didn't. And then, what is my verb? In past, watched. Everybody, watched. Watched. I watched. Okay, so, but when I make the negative statement, I write the normal form, the base form, okay? I didn't watch TV last night. Okay, example number 2. This is number 1. She ate 3 apples. She ate, you know the meaning of apples, right? What is apples? Apples. Okay, good. She ate 3 apples. She ate 3 apples. Negative form. Okay. She didn't. She didn't eat. Remember that I used the base form, the normal form. Eat 3 apples. Now, what I want to emphasize in this part, what I want to show you before we move to the pronunciation part, what I want to emphasize is that watch is regular or irregular. Regular. Okay, watch is a regular verb. But ate, regular or irregular? Regular or irregular? Irregular. Okay, good. Irregular. So I repeat, in English we have regular verbs and irregular verbs, but the majority of them are regular verbs. Do you understand? Everybody understands? Okay, let's talk about the pronunciation. Let me show you the clown, the pronunciation clown one more time, just to refresh your mind. Remember, we have 3 ways to pronounce. I said the ED, that ED sounds like D. This is the problem that we have. It sounds like T, and it also sounds like what? Id. Okay, good. So I have a question. When do I pronounce it like D? My second question, when do I pronounce it like T? And when do I pronounce it like id? When? Here is the information shown on this beautiful papelógrafo. And this beautiful papelógrafo, we have that answer. Okay, when do we say D? When we make voiced sounds. When we make voiced sounds. What is that? Okay, touch your throat, everybody. Touch your throat. Touch your throat. A voiced sound is when you feel vibration. Vibration in your throat. For example, when you say learn, say learn, everybody, learn. And touch your throat. Touch your throat. Learn. Okay? For example, this sound R, say R. Learn. What do you feel in your throat? Vibration. So a voiced sound, all these sounds, look at the black color, look at the black letters. All these sounds are considered voiced sounds because they make vibration in the throat. But we also have voiceless sounds. Voiceless sounds is when you don't have vibration in your throat, but you just move your lips. The sounds happen at the front of the mouth. For example, if I say pass, pass, pass. Everybody say pass, pass, pass. Louder, louder. Pass, pass. Talk, talk, talk. So the sounds are made just right at the front of the lips or of the mouth. So when do we pronounce like D? When you have all these sounds. For example, in my normal verb, in my base form, the last sound is M. M. Here, when I say clean, the last sound is N. So there should be vibration in your throat. When I put the past, because they are regular forms, when I use the past, when I say the past, this ED has to sound like what? Like D. Like D. Okay, let's try it. Everybody say dreamed. Dreamed. Okay. Dreamed. 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 Come on, come on. Say louder. Dreamed. Cleaned.
Cleaned.
Can I say clean it? Can I say clean it in English? No. Can I say dream it? No. Can I say call it? No. Okay, let's try. Called. 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 Saved.
Saved.
Offered.
Offered.
Closed.
Closed.
I have this sound. Closed. So I say closed. Plugged. Plugged.
Plugged.
Changed.
Changed.
We have this symbol. Changed.
Changed.
Sorry. Allowed. Allowed. Cried.
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 Stayed.
Stayed.
Enjoyed.
Enjoyed.
Enjoyed. Now you. Now you. You. This sound. Cleaned. Remember. Okay, one more time. I don't hear the D sound. Do it.
Cleaned.
Cleaned. Remember, cleaned. Called. Everybody, called. This sound, this sound, this sound. Offered. Offered. Because my final sound, I'm talking about the final sound when we pronounce the verb, not when we write it. It's not when we write it, it's when we pronounce. Okay, offered. This is my last sound. Offered. Everybody, offered.
Offered.
Now the past is offered. Say it, say it. Offered. 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 Now, voiceless sounds, I said they are made at the front of the mouth. So we say they sound like T. T. When we have all these sounds, CH, SH, GH, that sounds like F, K, P, S, and X. For example, pass. The base form, the last sound, what is the last sound? S. In the past, how do I say? Pass it. Pass it. No, how do you pronounce it? Like T. ED is pronounced like T. So we say past. Say it, past. 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 Watched. Washed. Laughed. Talked. Stopped. Kissed. Fixed. Now you. Stopped. You have an explosion. When we say T, this is like an explosion. We say stopped. Talked. Kissed. Kissed. Now you. Fixed. Watch it. Watch it. Not at all. We say watched. Wash it. What is the correct pronunciation? Washed. Washed. Laugh it. No, laughed. Everybody, laughed. Stopped. Stopped. Okay. And we have like a third rule, because I'm not done yet. We have another rule. Pay attention to this. ED is pronounced like id when the final sound in the base form is T or D. For example, in the normal form, I say want, expect, complicate, act, need, decide, and invite. So those past forms, ed, has to sound like T or D, depending on the situation. Okay, let's do it together. Wanted. Wanted.
Wanted.
Wanted.
Wanted.
Wanted.
Wanted.
Wanted.
Wanted.
Expected.
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 Complicated.
Complicated.
Okay, you.
Complicated. Active.
Acted.
Needed.
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 Decided.
Decided.
Ended.
Invited.
Invited. One more time.
Wanted. Expected.
Louder, louder, louder.
Complicated. Wanted. Expected. Complicated. Active. Needed.
Needed. Needed.
Decided.
Ended. Invited. Let me show you the pronunciation clown for the third time. We have 3 ways to pronounce ed. What is the first way? Like id. This one, id. The second way, d. And the third way, t. Okay. Let's do an exercise. Okay, come on here, come on here. Show the class the verb you were given. Show the class and pronounce it. Pronounce the past of, pay attention because he's going to pronounce the past form of the verb kick. Kick. What is the last sound? K. Okay, so how do you pronounce the past form?
Kick.
Show it to the class. Show it.
Kick.
Sorry?
Kick.
Can you hear? Can you hear? Okay.
Kick.
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 What is the sound? Like T. Okay, excellent. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. So I'm gonna give you one. I'm gonna give you one. And you're gonna tell me, how they are pronounced in the past. Okay, I'm gonna give you 2. I'm gonna give you 2 because I have more. I'm gonna give you 2. Okay. One volunteer? One volunteer? Any volunteer? Okay, come on here. Come on here. Show the 2 verbs you have and say how they are pronounced in the past. Show the verbs you have.
Like it.
Like it. Like it. Like it. Okay,
Like.
look. In the present, I say like. Like. This is my final sound. So, what happens when you have this sound? Check it out. So. It sounds ed. Sounds like T. So, give it a try.
Liked it.
Liked it. How do you pronounce it? How do you pronounce it?
Liked.
Liked. Liked. Okay, next.
Liked. Hate.
Sorry?
Hate.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you the following. In the base form, we say hate. Hate. The final sound is T. Hate. So, in the past, how do we say? Hate. The past is
Hate.
hated or hated. Okay, hated. Everybody say hated.
Hate.
Okay, good. Next. 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 Remember, you have to show the verbs that you have. Show first. Show first. Sorry? Speak aloud, please. Speak aloud. Miss it.
No.
What is the final sound? Show it, show it, show it. Show it, show it. What is the final sound in the base form?
S.
S. So check it out. S. Where is S?
It's T.
Ah, S. Final sound is here. So ED has to sound like T. Do it.
Dance.
No. Go back to the previous one. Miss it.
Miss it.
No.
No. Music.
Miss.
Miss it. Missed. 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 Next. Next. Show it. Show it.
Dance.
Dance. Okay, dance. The final sound is dance. Dance.
Dance.
Dance.
Dance.
Danced. Danced. Okay, good. Next. Come on here.
Word.
Shout it out. Shout it
Word.
out. Shout it out.
Word.
Okay, good. Excellent. Next.
Some move.
Okay, the final sound is V. V. Check it out. V. That is a voice you have to pronounce like moved with D. Moved. Okay, next. 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 Show the verbs. Show the class, show the class. Okay. Remember. Remember. So the past of remember is remembered. Remembered.
No.
Remembered it. Remembered it.
No.
No. Yes. Remembered. Remembered. Okay, good. Next. Ask. Okay, everybody ask. Ask. The final sound is K. Where is K? Where is K? Where is K? Over here. K. So in the past we say ask it, ask it, ask it. No. Asked. Say it. Asked. 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 Okay, clap your hands. So everybody understands? Everybody understands? No. Okay. Well, as I was saying before, for this activity, I want you to make groups of 3 people. You're going to stand in circles and you're going to categorize these verbs based on the way they are pronounced in the simple past tense. I already showed you the pronunciation clown. I told you that there are 3 ways to pronounce, and now it's time to work in groups. Okay, so groups of 3 now, and place the verbs under the right category. Action. I'm gonna give you 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, here's your marker. Here's the marker for this group, and a red marker. Each color represents your team. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
You ready? So one by one, come to the board and complete the chart. Okay, so in this team, Action. Next team. Remember that we have to put all the verbs in the chart, okay? All the verbs. All the verbs. Next. One more, one more. One more. One more, one more. One more. Okay, so let me check this out. You may sit down. Let me check. Died, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this is okay. Jumped. Jumped. Like D, yes or no?
No.
No, why not? What is my final sound? P.
Pronunciation is T.
P. So,
T.
P. When the final sound is P, we pronounce like T. So we write it here. Jump. Jump. Everybody say jump.
Jump.
Danced. Yes or not?
Yeah.
Good. Crashed. Yes or not?
Yes.
Acted. Yes or not?
Yes.
Joked.
No.
Joked. Joking. No, why not? Why not? Why not?
The pronunciation is the.
Okay, the final sound is K. Joke. Joke. And look at here. Look at the chart. When you have K sound, sound K sound, we pronounce it like T. So we say joked. Joked. Okay, offered. Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Offered. Okay, 1. Arrested. Arrested. Okay. Reported. Reported. Dressed. Dressed.
Number 1.
Number 2. Arrived. Number 1. Explained. Explained. Okay. Damaged. Number 1. Entered. Okay, what else? Changed. Number 1. Okay, good. Now, don't move. Stay there. I'm going to show you a card, one verb in past, and you're going to have like a competition, okay? Stay in your teams. When you see the verb, you slap on the chair, raise your hand, and pronounce the verb for the whole class, okay? If you do it correctly, you will win a point for your team, okay? So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's begin. Number 1.
Polish.
Sorry?
Polish.
Punished. Okay. 1 point. What color?
Red.
1 point for color red. Write it down. 1 point. 1 point. You get 1 point. Next.
Open. Opened.
Open. Open it.
Open.
Opened. Okay, good. So you get 1 point for the blue team. Next.
Work.
Excellent. Worked. So you have 2 points. 2 points. Next.
Died.
He spoke first. Died. Okay, you have 3 points. Everybody say died. Everybody died.
Died. Happened.
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 No.
T or D?
Happened.
Happened. Everybody say happened.
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 Okay, next.
Made.
Plate.
Planed.
Everybody say planned.
Planned.
Planned. Everybody planned.
Remembered.
Uh-huh.
Remembered.
Remembered. Remembered.
Remembered. Asked.
Okay, excellent, guys. Everybody. Okay, good. You did an excellent job. You did a wonderful job. Your homework is to study this information because this is really essential if you want to pronounce the simple past correctly, regular verbs correctly. And the other homework is, the other assignment, you're going to write a paragraph. Write down the homework. Write a paragraph. Write a paragraph describing what you did yesterday. Saying the activities you did yesterday. I want you to use a lot of regular verbs. You can combine regular and irregular. But I'm saying I want you to use a lot of regular verbs in order to practice this a little bit more. When you come back next day, you're going to read the paragraph to the class. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, clap your hands. You did a wonderful job. See you tomorrow. See you. Bye.